been 7 years since my transplant, and I went to culinary school and I did a little internship in Italy and Austria, and I got to cook there. I've worked in a couple kitchens now. I've been sous chef, garde manger chef. I've done things that I've never thought would be possible.
Christopher was born with a congenital heart disease. Ultimately, he was determined to be a really good candidate for a heart transplant, and I think he was about 10 days shy of 18 years old when he received his heart transplant.
They were absolutely amazing during the time of the ups and downs with his health. There's no words to put to the love that we received. All hours of day and night as they stood by not only my side, but as Christopher's. Just remarkable.
Probably nothing that gives me more joy at work than seeing people, in clinic who are doing really well and who have not only are still alive because of what we've been able to offer, but are thriving. He's the kind of guy that everybody really wants to help, and it just the way he interacts with people just makes you feel really good about what you're doing, and just like you go to the end of the earth for him.
I couldn't be thankful enough for the new heart, and it's hard to think about, but unfortunately someone had to give their life to save mine. And I don't go without thinking about them every day, and I can't even start to imagine what their family has gone through. But it's been the best gift I've ever had and ever will get, is the gift of life.
Forever indebted to each and every employee at Loyola that has loved us each and every step of the way, from Dr. Lebo to Dr. McGee to each and every nurse that has touched our lives. Never underestimate the impact that you have on a family or an individual. Life-changing.